Hi there. I'd like to show you this proposed engineering project that I call Musical Instruments with Vernier. And I start off with a Vernier SparkFun interface shield, which will be connected to an Arduino Uno, which is then connected to the SparkFun musical instrument shield, which is capable of outputting MIDI notes. And then that is played back through a pair of desktop speakers. And the idea is that we'll be able to put different instruments or different sensors into the SparkFun shield and actually create MIDI notes that will allow students to make realistic sounding musical instruments while understanding things about computational thinking, programming, engineering design, and at the same time giving them another venue to look at music and physics and some of the concepts because music is accessible to so many different students. So I will run a couple of demos of a few different software things that I have done with Vernier sensors, and obviously I'm just scratching the surface here, and hopefully this will show the flexibility of this idea and give others ideas of things that they can do with this setup. Okay, this first design uses the Vernier motion detector, and that's feeding into the digital port. And I have the force probe set up on an analog port, and by moving my hand up and down and applying force, and as you can hear with that, I'm changing the actual note being played up the MIDI scale, and at the same time I'm controlling the duration of the note by the pressure that is applied to the force sensor. Okay, and this last device is a theremin type of design using two motion detectors. And my only comment on this one would be that the MIDI shield does use pin 2 and 3 to carry the information from the Arduino. So if I've modified this board slightly, and maybe in the future that might be something to just do some pin shifting so pins 2 and 3 are not tied up. Obviously I can do a lot more with different sensors, but for now this is what I have, and I hope you can see the possibilities of this design idea. Thanks very much.